Most people using large language models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini keep making the same mistake. What they do is that whenever they want to create content, they have to do everything from scratch. But what if there is a way to create a template which you can use to create the same kind of content every time you want to do so? That is where we get to Google Gemini Gems. So, depending on when you're viewing this video, it may be the default on your homepage when you come to Google Gemini. If not, just click on Gems on this side of your page, and then you can just toggle this off. Now, Gems give you the ability to create templates which you can use all over. You can use them over and over again. You have a few of them here, like Chess Champ says, please chess with a language model. Make your first move using chess. If I open this on a new window, you can see this is kind of like a chess game. Experiment and all of that is let's play chess, and you can click on that and you can go ahead. I'm not going to try to do this right now. It says great, you started with E4, respond with C5, the silicon and all of that. I will not go into all of that. And then we have Women's World Cup, Storybook, Brainstormer. That's find inspiration easily, fresh ideas for parties, gives businesses and more, career guide, coding partner. It says level up your coding skills, get the help you need to build your projects and learn. Learning coach, writer, editor. And then you can also create your own gem here. This is what I want to show you how to do. So we are going to be creating our own gem. This gem is going to help us. I want to use it since I run a YouTube channel. I want to create a gem that is going to help me create YouTube titles and SEO optimized descriptions. So I will simply click on new gem, and then it brings me here. The first thing I have to do is that I have to give the gem a name. I have to give it a description. I have to give it some instructions too. And then you can also add a knowledge base. If you click on knowledge base, you can either upload your files, add from your drive, or upload photos. Now, my gem is going to be called YouTube Meta Data Generator. So, and the description I'm going to say this is a tool, or just say YouTube tool to generate title, even though not title, but YouTube video description and much more. So that's going to be it. It's going to provide the video description and much more. Then the instructions. For the instructions, there is a specific way you give it the instructions so that it's going to give you the best output. If you don't know what to do, simply click on this button, this help button, and it's going to take you to the page. Click on learn more, and it's going to take you to this page where Google gives you an overview on how to structure the instructions. And it says getting started with gems in Gemini tips, and it goes create new gem and all of that. Create new gem, click on discover gems, name your gem and write instructions for it to follow. On the right, you can enter a prompt to preview your gem. Now it says how to write a good gem instruction. Provide details about your goals, desired behavior, and preferred format so that the gem can personalize Gemini's response. The most important points for writing gem instructions are the same as those for writing good prompts. You should have to implement the four. These are the four aspects. Number one is persona. Tell your gem what role it should play and how it should react. Number two, task. Tell the gem what to do or to create. Number three, context. Provide as much information about the context as possible. Format, which is number four. Be specific when indicating the desired structure. So, if you want to configure or prompt this gem, make sure you have all these four aspects. I've already gone ahead and written down all of this. Now you can see I'll just copy this, and then I'm going to paste it in the instruction tab for this gem. So I'm going to paste this here. Let's scroll back up and look at everything. So the first thing I started with is the persona. I say you are a marketing copywriter and a YouTube SEO specialist. Your tone should be knowledgeable, encouraging, and slightly informal, like a helpful mentor. You are writing for an aspiring tech and AI enthusiasts and entrepreneurs who feel overwhelmed by online business. And then the task is to create a keyword-rich YouTube description. The primary goal is to drive clicks to the link in the description by highlighting the value and the call to action. So this is the task. They are creating a keyword-rich YouTube description. And then the context. Now, look at the details of the task. The primary goal is to drive clicks to the link in description by highlighting the value of the call to action. And then the context. I will provide you with the main keyword. You have to ask. I'll provide you with the title. You have to ask. I'll provide you with the target audience. You have to ask. I'll provide you with the target regions. You have to ask. Now, not every video is for every audience. There are audiences there are videos whose audience are non-techies. There are videos whose audiences are intermediate techies. And there are videos whose audiences are tech bros. And then the regions too. You may want to do a video which is primarily for tier 1 countries. You may want to do one which is for tier 2. And then you may want to do one which is general. And then the format. Just ask me for the CTA that is to be promoted. Here is an example of the format model to model your description on. Always start and end with a CTA link. That's a call to action. Focus on being keyword rich related to the title and description. So this is an example. I'll remove that there. This is the title. Learn how to use AI with this step-by-step beginner tutorial. Watch my on-demand workshop and learn to earn your first $1,000 with AI. And then it goes to my website, https://donodio.com/learn. And says if you don't want to be left behind in the AI race, or you don't want to be made redundant by AI and robots, then this video is absolutely for you. And here is what you learn. I'll just add some species here. The basics of AI tools, choosing the right AI tools in an ocean of AI tools, creating AI content, creating SaaS tools with AI, monetizing AI. This is the foundation for building a career in artificial intelligence that will stand the storms of the AI industry destruction. And then this is a timestamp. This is just a dummy timestamp. You can see the different timestamps there. And then question of the day: which of these 9 secret tools is going to save you the most time and money? I was just going to say it's going to save you the most time and make you the most money. Let me know in the comments. And then don't forget to like this video if you love making money. I'll say if you love making money with AI. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. I don't know how I missed all of this. See, to get the latest cutting edge AI tools. And then I want it to provide me with this comma separated hashtags without the £, because I'm going to copy this and put this in the hashtag section of the YouTube description. And then these are the hashtags which are going to be in this actual description. And then I give it warnings. Do not use overly salesy or hype language. Avoid making income guarantees. Do not mention competitors by name. Do not use any M dashes anywhere. So this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm not going to give it any knowledge base. I'm just going to click on save right now here. So it tells me Gem YouTube metadata generator has been created. You can click here to share it with your friends. I'll just click on start chat. So it's going to bring me back to Gemini. So I'm in my own gem now. I don't know if it's possible yet to change the thumbnail here. And it says YouTube tool. And I want to give it a title, video title. I will say 9. Or let me use the title for this particular video. So I've gone and written here, video title, Google Gems, Google Gemini Gems, automate 90% of your AI workflow. I'll click on that. I'll use fast here. I'm not going to use thinking. And this is what, hello, I'm happy to step into the role of, before I create the keyword rich description, this, what is the main title, main keyword. So I'll just copy this and paste here and say main keyword, Google Gemini Gems. And then what is a specific call to action link? I'll copy this I'll see, I'll just put my website, https downloadyou.com, and then what is your target audience? Command V, I'll see Tech and AI Enthusiast and beginners. So it's giving me this question to answer. What is your target region? I want to see tier 1 countries, or just say worldwide. This is a worldwide video because everybody uses Gemini. All right, and since once I have this, I can craft an empowering, all of that. I'm going to click on that. Now look at what it's giving me. It says this is great information. Thank you. I'll be incorporating the main keyword highlighting the value of your CTA to the tech enthusiast and beginners audience. Here is your keyword rich description for your video. Google Gemini Gems automate 90% of your AI workflow. It says master your workflow with Google Gemini Gems. And it says ready to stop feeling overwhelmed by AI and start building an automated business. And you can see it adds my website link here. It says if you are a tech and AI enthusiast or a beginner feeling the chaos of managing too many AI tools, this is the blueprint for simplifying. And it gives you what you learn in this video. And this is a timestamp. This is a timestamp, even though it really doesn't know the length of the video. Question of the day, don't forget to, and then ready to automate, another call to action. And then you can see the comma separated hashtags and then the pound separated hashtags. So I can just copy this and take it to my YouTube video, and I'm going to paste this there. So you see, there is a lot more you can do. You can add more data to it. You can feed it with more data and give it more context, and it's going to produce better output. But for now, this is all I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed this video about Google Gems. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any comments, post them in the description. God bless you. Peace.